Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I'd like to share with you my Coach outlet sale haul. 2 weeks ago it was my sister's birthday and I decided to treat her to a few things at the Vero Beach outlet. And so while we're in the Coach store, I told her to pick what she wanted and I went the other way to pick up what I wanted. So let's get started. I picked up this really pretty adjustable bracelet. First of all, the only thing that could fit me in that store were the earrings and this one adjustable bracelet. It is so dainty. It is so pretty. It's just gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. So that's the bracelet. And these earrings that I'm wearing is also from Coach. And I also picked up this lovely, lovely, lovely silver necklace. It's about 22 inches long. It is so pretty. I'm going to see if I can, here's what it looks like. Gorgeous. Love that. And then I picked up a pair of sunnies. Really pretty. And I think this is just perfect for my cruise next month. So gorgeous. This is just perfect. Love that. Okay, so let's get into what you're really here for. So let's start with, this is a pill box. It is so adorable and that's the only reason I picked it up. It has 3 pill bottles inside. It's so cute. And that's the only reason I picked it up. But then it will be perfect to just throw my vitamins in for the 7-day cruise. Absolutely perfect. And next up, this beautiful, beautiful cosmetic case. This color is gorgeous. And it is the Pantone color of the year, coral. And don't worry, I won't be doing a review of these now. This is just the haul. I will do individual reviews of these at a future date. But I just had to show them to you because they're pretty. And then this wallet. Sharon picked this out for me. Okay. And then this. This is the PVC drawstring carry-all. It is just gorgeous. Sharon picked it out and she was like, you must get the wallet. And so I did. Oh, we just put these away. that's one bag. And then I picked up this gorgeousness, just lovely piece right here. I was gonna go for the black, but this just caught my eye. Look at the handle. Ah, lovely. And this is the leather snake Casey. And then this is the embossed croc Sierra satchel. That's the color. There we go. Love it so much. And because they did not have the wallet to go with it, I picked up the closest thing, which was the signature debossed wallet. So it doesn't match, but I got it anyway. And lastly, this is the signature snake crossbody, MX crossbody in the khaki multi. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. At a future date, I will be doing individual reviews of these bags. But I couldn't contain myself. I just wanted to share them with you. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And as always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, simply pay it forward. Until next time, bye-bye.